channel. My name is Javi from Javi's Wire Jewelry. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make tight, neat wraps on your pieces, and we're going to be showing you on earrings, and you can do it on necklaces and bracelets as well. So come on over so we can show you how to do it. Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a tight wire wrap earrings using this lovely earrings as an example, and then I made these other earrings as well in gold. I was going to do the project first in these golds, but we did run out of that pink little bead up here. So I'm going to show you what you need for your supplies and what inspiration I got from these purple earrings. And I made a necklace, a bracelet, and rings from it. So I'm going to show you what supplies you need. And of course, all the supplies are going to be at bcboutiques.com. So don't forget to shop there. A small business, support us. Thank you. Okay. Now, of course, you're going to need some beads. Got some 8mm beads here. I think this is, it could be 3mm. This could be, and this could be 4mm. I'm not sure, but I'll put all the product in the description below. Of course, you need some ball head pins, and if you don't have that, you can always use 20 gauge wire and you do a little curlicue at the bottom. So we need our round nose pliers, our chain nose pliers, our flat nose, and the cutters here. So let's get started with this project. So I'm going to start off with, and don't forget your ear wire. Now I made my own ear wire, but you could use anything, any ear wire. But I like to make my own out of wire, so there's mine. So I'm going to start with a ball end head pin. So I'm going to use this one because it's already curved, I guess. And then I have my beads here in order. They don't fall off the table. There you go. So I'm going to start with my 8mm bead here. And then I have these little jump rings for like spacer beads. You don't need to use them, but I did. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna just grab, I don't know what size they are. I kind of made them myself. You can just get any jump ring. That's probably like a 4mm or 6mm, and this is probably a 2mm, being honest. So now I'm going to put the other jump ring in there, and I'm going to put the last bead on here. And then we're going to make our tight wire wrap. So, of course, I'm going to do it. Okay. I'm going to use my chain nose pliers for this part because I'm going to use this one as an example. Because when I'm bending it, I need to know how much space I need. So I'm probably that much space, like around about right there. That's the size of it altogether. So I'll be showing you that. Let me move that one out the side so this thing doesn't focus on that. So probably around there, and then I'm going to bend it forward, or you can bend it the other way. So that's probably enough space. I'm going to do comparison here just in case. Yep, that looks exactly right. And now I'm just going to make my little loop on the top. Sorry guys, I haven't made videos in so long. I'm probably out of the frame. I'll just make my little loop on the top. Of course, try to straighten it out as best as you can. This is probably like the easiest part. And now we begin to wrap. Now, I did grab my flat nose pliers here. Don't try to tighten it so much because it will make a mark. So just try to move the wire with your fingers as tightly as possible. This is the best way to do it. So I'm just going to keep wrapping it. Let's stop to show you every moment as I can. probably going to make like 5 loops around. Might be a little snug, but I'm going to clip it at the end over here. There we go, you heard the clip. And now I'm going to try to tighten the back. There he goes. See how good that came out? So remember, you have to make it tight when you're wrapping it around the eye pin, the head pin. So that's how you make it. And then I'm going to, of course, you have to put your ear wire, so that would be a complete piece. And that's your finished piece with your other piece right here. Perfect. And now I'm going to show you what I made from this inspiration of earrings of this purple pearl. I made this beautiful ring using the same technique with one wire here with the space jump rings, and 20 gauge wire I used, and then I used 20 gauge for this. I just curled it around and clipped the ends off, and that's all, and it pretty much fits perfectly, beautifully and comfortably, fits any size. Then I made this beautiful bracelet from Inspiration of these earrings. And I did the same thing. I used 20 gauge wire, and instead I just used one big long piece of wire. And instead of like how I used probably 3 separate wires here in the ring, I used one wire here and just curved it around and curved it around this way. So I made that that bracelet, and the final piece here I made a necklace. I'm going to move this over here since we've already seen it. And I made this beautiful, of course, some stuff gets a little bit stubborn here. Here, let me see if I can get this in frame for you guys. I made this beautiful necklace here. And of course, I used the purple beads, and this one piece of wire I used and coiled it around. And of course, I used these little beads right here that we have on the BC Boutique's website. And I used these little beads. I don't know if you guys can see them in the bag. And I use these beautiful ones I love the most. And I think I used everything wire here. And then I used Rolo chain as well. But you can get great inspiration from just starting with one piece, a tight wire wrap earrings. I got the inspiration from one thing and it just led on to the next. And I'm really happy it all turned out great. And don't forget that I got all this beautiful supplies from bcboutiques.com. Please help support this channel by giving us a thumbs up and by commenting below what was your favorite piece. Or if you want to learn how to make any of these pieces, hey, put that in the comments. And I hope you loved this video, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content. And hopefully I can make more wire videos for you guys. And I'm happy to be able to talk to you. And hope you guys comment below. And I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye.